Hurricanes Highlights, brought to you by ATB Financial.
Takes it, backs it up to the line. It skipped past Estefan and Alexander True's away. True in, shorthanded. Deke scores! He'll walk, long snapshot off a stick, hits the end glass, bounces in front. Pankowitz up, Miette there battling, but Babenko hooks it in! His eighth of the year for Yegor Babenko. Babenko, good shift here. Babenko, Sanders, Burke, off the side of the net. Babenko. The middle couldn't receive the pass clean, now makes a nice move in. Bear held on, here's Nielsen. Lindgren scores! Solo effort, Riley Lindgren, 2-1 Canes.
Yeah.
With Huff. Now Miette, out right side, cuts up high, wrist shot, scores! On the forecheck, Watson created havoc, True in front for Grubb, he scores! White.
Real good play by Jagger White for sure.
Riley Lindgren on the forecheck lost his stick, it's in the skate. Right side. Wong works down the right boards in front. Estefan Deeks, he scores! A beauty by Giorgio. Stolen by Gropp. Near side Colasar in front and a save by Skinner as Barzell tried to redirect it through his legs. Right side Atwell. Delays, cuts through, he shoots, he scores! Oh, what a goal by Arvin Atwell! 5-2.
You can see the big smile on his face right there. Boy, oh boy. Little toe.
The final score, 5-2 for the Lethbridge Hurricanes.